the first video of tkinter in this series. Let's start with the sample video. To use tkinter module, we need to import that module first. Tkinter. So inside tkinter there will be many functions. Instead of using them one by one, what I will do is I will keep an alias for this tkinter, so that wherever I want to use that function, instead of completely typing tkinter dot, I can simply type tk, shorten name. Now I am creating a function. uh, just I will create an empty function first for drawing. As I will get indentation problems, I will just write pass here, so it's like empty statements, nothing will be there. Now next, uh, I will create a new function called make canvas. Two arguments, one is window object, another one is the height. In this one, for creating a UI, we need to first uh, create a canvas window. On top of that, we can keep all the UI elements. So for that, uh, I will create a root element. In this one, I will type tk dot that tkinter um, constructor. So it will create a new window. It will just pop ups on the screen, nothing else. Mm. So I created a root element here. What it will do is it will simply create an empty screen. On top of that one, for this empty screen, we need to keep dimensions also. I mean, on top of that screen, I can keep elements like text field, images, and all. Did you get it? So for that, I am creating a canvas now. tk dot canvas. Uh, so where I need to draw that canvas? Uh, the first line will create a frame like this. So this first line will create a frame like this, and the second one, it will set the width and height of it, or else it will get the default dimensions. Next, this draw function will display this canvas created on the screen. So with this draw function, immediately it will go to the next line and it will close it. So instead, what we are doing is we want to hold it in the background as long as we run the program. So that's why we are using main loop function of this root. So here we are passing the dimensions to it. So let me run it. Like this. So now, uh, if I want to change the dimensions, I can change from 400 to 200. The width will change now. Like this. So that's it for this session. Okay. See, this will create a new window that will be popped up to the screen. So this second one, canvas, means on the created window, it will design the height and width to draw graphics. Next, this thing is uh, if you are this when we run this function, it will merge this canvas and this main root window to a single entity. And this draw function, when we run this draw function, then it will show that complete graphic on the screen. This root dot main loop will keep it on hold so that it will be displayed on the screen until we close that window. Let me create one more, make canvas 100. So the second window won't come till we close this one because this loop is running. So once I close this one, it will open another. So this main dot root dot main loop actually holding that complete processing there, so that it won't go to the next line till we do anything on the screen. See this draw canvas present, we didn't implement anything. It is empty now. So in the next program, we will add all the elements to this one, so that what all are elements to be added to this canvas.